So today we'll learn the basic terms used in accounting. Understanding these terms is very important in order to understand the concept of accounting. So we have the terms entity. This is the word which denotes any organization. This organization can be a business organization, or it can be a non-business organization. Non-business organization means organization doing social services, or the organization which provides social services like Lions Club and so on. Business organization are those organizations which does business. The next term is business entity. Business entity means organization doing a business. Organization doing business. Example like Super Bazaar, ITC, and so on. Next term is transactions. It refers to what? Dealings between two or more persons or party. And this dealing should be in monetary value or in terms of money. In terms of money. So the deal takes place in terms of money, and there is what? Exchange taking place. There will be exchange of goods or services for money. That is called transaction. Dealings between two or more persons or party, and these transactions or this dealing should be in terms of money, and in this transaction exchange should take place. Capital. What is the capital? It refers to money or money's worth. Money or money's worth brought by the owner into the business. Money or money's worth brought by the owner into the business is termed as capital. Money means suppose cash. Say here the owner brings cash of rupees 10,000. Money's worth means what he brings in place of money. Like say he has a personal Maruti van. He brings that Maruti van into the business to be used as delivery van. And the price of this Maruti van is say 2,50,000. This is the van which he brought into the business. So this is the van has brought into the business to be used in the business for the business purpose. So these two will be termed as the capital of the owner, and the total capital of the owner is 2,60,000. And this is also known as claim on total assets of the business. Claim on total assets of the business. Drawings. It refers to what? Money or value of goods taken by the owner from his business for personal use. Money or value of goods taken by the owner from his business for personal use will be termed as drawings. So when the owner brings when the owner brings the money into the business will be termed as capital, and when the owner takes away some amount of money from the business for his own use will be termed as drawings. Next important term is assets. Assets means anything owned by the business. Owned by the business will be termed as assets. It provides benefit for long period of time. Long period of time and not meant for sale. So you got to remember here, asset means anything owned by the business will be termed as assets. It will provide benefit for a long period of time. That means that particular thing can be used in the business for a long period of time, maybe for 2 years, 3 years, or 4 years. It is not meant for resale.